What's the meaning of balsam? Balsam. Balsam.
Balsam. Balsam. Balsam refers to a resinous substance that is obtained from certain trees and plants. It has a thick and sticky consistency, and a strong, aromatic odor. Balsam is commonly used in various industries, such as perfumery, medicine, and paint manufacturing, due to its unique properties. In traditional medicine, balsam is believed to have healing properties and is used to treat various ailments, such as cough, cold, and joint pain. In perfumery, balsam is used as a base note to provide depth and richness to fragrances. Overall, balsam is a versatile substance that has been used for centuries for its fragrance and medicinal properties.